Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. First, thank you to all of you who wrote me and sent me good vibes and well wishes. I am feeling better each day and I'm back. I miss all of you. So today I have a new video tutorial using the June limited edition kit by My Creative Scrapbook. This month the kit is featuring the Magic Love by Frank Garcia for Prima Marketing, and I can tell you that so far it is my favorite collection by Frank Garcia. I just love all the angels, all the beautiful colors and detail on this collection. The first thing that I'm doing is priming my paper. As always, I prefer to apply the prime first because now I'm going to let dry the paper, and I'm using a second page paper. I'm going to cut out around these cheeks and angel, the bottom part of this paper. I am trimming off this border that says the name of the collection and the name of the paper, and I'm going to trim fussy cut this piece well off camera because I don't want to make the video too long. And you can see here how it looks. Now I'm going to use this border punch by Martha Stewart, and I'm going to punch the bottom part of this piece of paper, and you can see how it looks. Now I need to figure out where I'm going to place this on my base paper. And look, this beautiful doily, it comes in the kit, and this is the precious photo that I'm going to use. Once I know where I'm going to place everything, I just making pencil marks around all the pieces, and you can see here all the dots. This month the kits come with this stencil, and I'm using the Distress Grid paste to give textures on the background. I just love this paste. It dries very white, and it is more like a sand texture paste. Here are all the pencil dots, and I'm going to apply a little of these textures around all these dots. I don't want to add too much texture. I just want like a pickup book effect with the textures behind all the elements that I'm going to add. I am placed here a little in the back portions where the piece will be, and in this corner here because I am planning to add the title in this area. It is how it will look. I'm going now to let it dry this, and I'm going to work in the next step, that it is this Boboni stamp that comes in the June limited edition kit. I am planning to stamp some leaves. Not sure if I'm going to use the big one, the small, or the medium. I think I'm going with the medium, and this is my acrylic block. I'm going to use this part of the snap, and I want to stamp it on this white cardstock, and I'm going to use the Bundle Sage Distress ink by Tim Holtz. I am going to stamp a few of these leaves here. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do, and then I'm going to do the rest. Here I just take my brush and I apply the same ink over all these leaves just to feel complete the leaves with a little of the green tone. Now I take my scissor and I'm going to fussy cut this. And let me tell you that I'm going to punch and stamp a few of these leaves off camera. Here I'm just folding all the leaves by half. It will bring more like a realistic look to this piece and a little more of dimension once you put it on the page. And I'm going to do this with the rest, and you can see here I already make a bunch. Now it's time to adhere the doily. Look what I did. I just cut it because I want to use this piece in other project. So I'm going to adhere this with my tacky glue on the background of the paper. And now I'm going to show you what I did with the big piece here of paper. Let me put this well, and with this piece I already add here cardboard on the back. I want that this piece stay with dimension, and it will look nice in this way. Well, this is my opinion. You can put it flat if you prefer. I always love a little dimensions on the projects. And I will do the same with the photo, and I add a piece of cardboard on the back just to enhance the photo over the rest of the things that I'm going to place. Here are the beautiful flowers, are the same from the same collection, and I started with the big flowers to make the arrangements. I prefer to play first with the big pieces and then add the smallest and the medium flowers. I am trying to bring like a movement with the flower, that your eyes move around all these pieces, but without take the focus of the photo. Here I'm using the medium, and I am adding now the leaves that I stamp. I put it then between all these. It gives like a foliage and looks pretty with the flowers and with all the elements that I'm going to add. I continue playing here. Other thing that I'm going to add in this page are the ephemera package and the chipboard from the same collection that comes in the kit. But I don't know, I always prefer the pieces of the ephemera like this one to trim off the white borders. I prefer it that way. And at the end, once I add here everything, because I am putting all the pieces and I am not showing you this part here, I'm going to use the vintage photo distress ink, and I'm going to ink all the borders of the ephemera and all the cutouts that I did. I also cut this piece that you see here. It is the balloons. I trim off the white border. This is my title, The Love War at this sentiment. And look, this cutie. I just love this angel. It's adorable. And I cut it from one of the paper, and I'm going to place it between the flowers. Now I'm adding the lips. I think it gives this nice look on the background. You can see here, it looks so pretty. And then one behind the angel. Now this button, I think they are so cute. I'm just take a thread, and I'm going to put thread, make the holes. So I'm using my hole punch here and make some holes, and I'm passing the thread through this to give more realistic look. And now I'm going to attach a 3D foam tape on the back of the buttons and add in here, and I'm going to do this and put it here too. Now it's time to add here. I'm going to do this off camera. Okay, my friends, I add here everything. Look, the vintage photo ink around, and look what I did with all these pieces. I add 3D foam tape to add dimension. Look, the buttons, they look so cute with the threads, and you can see how everything looks so far. Now I always want to add more texture. I'm going to add 3D foam tape, but look what happened with this jar of gel medium. Oh my gosh, another one that I lost. Anyway, let's move. I am so tired. And I'm going to use my tacky glue and add here everything with tacky glue. I am adding the glue first on the background, and then with my finger I add the art stones here and there. I don't want to add too much art stone, just to give a little of these textures around these and over the flowers. If you prefer that the page look more simple, you can skip this step and let it without any another texture. Just let it with the only with the stencil. But for me, I prefer the art stones. And I'm adding here, I am trying to make a cohesive balance between all the elements. So I will add the art stone around all these and in the top of the balloon. Now I'm going to add a few of pearls. I just love how pearls looks on the projects. I think they look very feminine and delicate with the pearls, so I'm going to add a few of them here under between the flowers. I am trying to with the pearls and the earthstone enhance all the layers that I create on this page. This page is not too much complicated, but you can see here now the details and what I did because my camera turned off. I put a tiny pearls here, and I also add cheesecloth behind these pieces, just a little, not too much. And this is a thread of glue, and here is more cheesecloth. And I also add look, the threads in the bottom. I also add this piece of lace and other in the bottom here with a cheesecloth. Just my camera, I thought that I was filming and the camera turned off. So this is what I did. Now that I have this, I'm going to show you these pearl eggs. Is from Jaguar that are both at Michael. It is you can use this powder. It is a metallic pearlescent medium that you can use in many ways. This time I'm just going to mix it with white acrylic paint. Let me show you. Look, I don't know, but it has this sparkling. It looks so pretty, and I'm going to mix it with today with the white acrylic paint. Easy, just to mix it carefully because I want to paint or apply this to all the earthstones. I think in that way I can enhance all these textures on the background. And I apply this with a paintbrush and cover all the earthstones on the background just to see. I will try later to use it because you can use these pearls X powdered pigments in different way. You can use also use it with glue. You can use in a tacky surface, but today I prefer to start with the white acrylic paint to see how it looks. And then sorry, once I cover all the earthstone, I cover my photo and I add water to the same mix just to I don't want to waste this mix, so I added water. I'm going to give the white paint splatter to see how it will look with the pigments, to see if it gives this glimmer or sparkle effect on the background. And I am adding the white splatters around all the stencil work on the background, like to smooth the transition between the stencil work and the paper, and add also over the title just to give this shabby chic look on the page. Now I'm going to remove, and you can see how it looks. It looks delicate, it's not complicated, but it looks so pretty that I hope that you like it. Let me know what do you think in a comment down below. And remember that in the description box I'm going to let you the link to the kit to my social media in case that you want to see more projects that I create with this kit. And also I'm going to show you some photos from this page that you can see all the details. Well, my friend, I hope that you enjoy. If you like this video, let me know with a thumbs up. And here are 2 more videos that maybe you are interested, and I see you soon with another video tutorial. Nos vemos, bye bye.